Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my Grow with Grace binder day with $100 and some long-term saving challenges. So let's get started. All right, so this is my save $2,026 in 2026. That's saving for get that together. That's saving for taxes for next year. So we are going to our blue, and I don't want to do the 29. So let's do, because I want to put more into vacation. Like I said, this is for next year. So let's go ahead and do let's do the 20. We can do the 20. Let's put that hot 20 in here. Boom. So it's $20 going into here. Next, we got the vacation from Mint Dough. All right. And let's do, I wanted to do the 14 and the 8 for 22. So let's do 14 and the 8 for 22. Oh, hold on. What's another 8? Is that doing too much? I don't know. 14 plus 8 plus 8 is 30. I say let's do it. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay. Let's go ahead and put $30 in here. 10, 20, 5, and 30. So $30. So my plan is to save at least 600 of this 1,200. That's how I think I'm going to do it. And then save the other 600 for, so the first 600 be for our family vacation in June. And then the other 600 will be, we will have to, if you're new here, my son is joining the Space Force this year, and he'll be graduating from basic training, I think sometime in maybe October. So then we would need to save for that trip. So that's the plan. That's the plan. So we have budget with Carly, says $55. This is for, it says, senior year, but this is also for his graduation from BTS. So this says 111, your life is about to be overflowing with blessings and prosperity. What? Prosperity. Get it together. This is my priority, I guess. So this is a 6, and we're going to stop there. So 5 and 6. All right, month ahead. This was also a new one. We finished some ones last week. This is also from Champagne's Corner. This is for month ahead. So I need 2 guys here. So we are going to do the yellow at the top, black on the side. So we got 3 and 2, and we got the internet $5. And I wrote a D12 for these numbers over here. I was trying to get some big numbers, but I guess I achieved that a little bit. So we are going to cross that one out and put $5. Let's do it one more time. We got 4 and, what's that? 4 and 5. 4 and 5 for the car. Ooh, and that is $9. We're going to stop there. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we put $10, $11, $12, $13, $14 in here. And that's again from Champagne's Corner. All right, emergency funds. Where's my, oh, here's my book here. And this is created by Budget and Introvert. It says 1,200 plus. So we finished that one. And I did fix this because I was getting myself so confused. So we are going to say, let's do even. And we got 4, which is even. And even is $4. So let's do 1, 2, 3, and 4. And let me cross that out so I won't get confused. Let's do it again. And let's say odd this time. And we got 6, which is even. So even is another $4. All right, so let's put $1 back and grab a 5. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and we will stop there. I wanted to color an ice cream cone, but we won't. Maybe next time we do a couple ice cream cones. So that is why I say $8 going into emergency funds. And then let's get to the most basic 7 challenge, created by Beautifully Me and You here on YouTube, Miss Alicia. And this is found on Amazon. It saves you $15K this whole book. And we are working on our third $100. So what colors do I want to use? Let's do, should I do orange? Let's do orange. Oh, I'm just going to color it and then don't even know what I'm saving. Hold on. Hold the phone. So let's roll a D8 because the amounts are 1 through 8. And we are doing a 4. Wow, there's no 4 on here. Well, I thought the amounts was 1 through 8. Well, we can do the 3 and a 1. My stomach is growling. I am hungry. I think today is going to be a pizza day. What you guys having for dinner today? Let me know, because I don't feel like cooking. I'm filming this on a Saturday. So Saturday is usually takeout day. Let's do orange. And let's make this bright. Let's do yellow. And then, should we roll again? I think we should. And this 15K, I believe, is going to student loans. I wish it was going towards something more exciting, but this is what I have to do to get myself out of debt, you know? So that is 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's roll again. 1. Really? What else color should I do? Should I do this pretty blue, or should I do this pink? I don't know. I need some more markers. No, you don't. So what I'm doing, 1. So let's do this 1 over here. All right, that's 4. That's $5. Should we stop there? I think we should. I mean, because we're not in a rush to finish this, obviously. So yeah, we'll do $5 in there. And we still, oh, let's put that money in there. And then what we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Dang, we still got $17. So let me go ahead and color in an ice cream cone here. So let's, or not this marker. Let's get this marker. Let's do ice cream. This page says 100. And let's do a green. This is key lime pie ice cream scoop. I love some key lime pie. So $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The best key lime pie I had was in Miami. So good. So that is for emergency, $5. Right. Let's leave that open so that can dry. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We still got $12. Let's go ahead. Let's scratch one more on here since we only did one scratch. Where did this money just fall out of? Lord have mercy. I think it was in there. So let's do one more scratch. Let's do this one. Okay, and that's another 6. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we got $6 more. 4, 5, 6. So 6 is going in here. And then let's go ahead and put the last $6 into the, say, $2,026.20. So that's what I say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's see where this 6 is gonna go. What color? Red. The red have a 6? It doesn't. Let's go again. Yellow. Yellow has a 6. Perfect. So let's do this 6 here. I just noticed my hands are ashy. You guys talking about me and my ashy hands? Because I just realized that. So $6 extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes, so that was a total of $26 put in here. So that's perfect. I like that. I like that. So that is it. Thank you, Gems, for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, Gems.